One of the natural marvels of the world is the Dead Sea. It is claimed to have therapeutic properties due to its high salt and mineral content. Some individuals do manage to keep floating in the sea. But the existence of the Dead Sea is in danger due to great difficulties. Israel, Palestine, and Jordan all share a section of the Dead Sea shoreline. And the current elevation of its surface is 430 meters below sea level. It is the lowest location on Earth as a result. With azure, cobalt blue lakes and bare mountain backdrop, it is a destination of magnificent natural beauty. Its primary water supply is the Jordan River, and as it has no outflow, it behaves like a lake. The Dead Sea is renowned for having extremely high quantities of salt. Over 10 times higher above the sea, the outcome of continuous evaporation. People entering the sea keep floating due to the water's high content of salt, giving many travelers an experience they'll never forget. Now that I'm walking on salt, I'm entering the ocean. For a float rather than a swim. Avoiding getting water in your eyes or ingesting it is vital. It can be deadly in addition to being extremely uncomfortable. Due to its minerals, the water from the Dead Sea is also claimed to have medicinal properties, making it a well-liked location for those seeking treatment for specific skin issues. But the Dead Sea is experiencing enormous difficulties, since the lake's water levels are dropping alarmingly quickly, at more than 1 meter every year. And the main culprit is human activities. Previously, the Jordan River's natural course into the Dead Sea is diverted for drinking water and agricultural use. Several enterprises also divert water to harvest minerals from it, includes potash in particular. Despite the large amount of water pumped back in, around a fourth of all water loss is thought to be caused by this mechanism alone. Additionally, it is claimed that climate change will speed up the evaporation process, adding to the Dead Sea's hazy future. The old vacation destination of Ein Gedi is where some of the effects may be seen. It is now entirely blocked. This settlement has become a ghost town as a result of sinkholes that have engulfed portions of the roadways and structures. When the water recedes and leaves salt deposits underground, these sinkholes form. These deposits are flushed away by flash floods, which causes the earth to give way. The area has hundreds of sinkholes presently, and thousands more form every year. There have been several attempts to stop the water levels dropping quickly, includes adding desalinated water to the Jordan River or strategies to provide more water to the Dead Sea by the construction of canals or pipelines. But none of these have come to pass, and they might not even be sufficient to stop the retreat. Most experts now worry that the Dead Sea will continue to deteriorate for at least another 100 years. It serves as a harsh reminder of what might occur if we continue to disrespect Mother Nature in this way. The top 9 incredible facts about the Dead Sea. What causes that? Hello everyone, Valencia is back with another video. Between Israel and Jordan is the Dead Sea. Jordan is a country having parts in the West Bank. Also a salt lake in Southwest Asia known as the Salty Sea of the Dead, and Lot of Sea. The lowest water body on Earth is the Dead Sea. Earth with the ground's lowest elevation around 10 times as salty as the Dead Sea, cleaner ocean water than usual. Here are the top 9 incredible facts. Regarding the Dead Sea is ranked as number 1. Among the world's egotistical bodies of water with about 10 times the amount of salt regular seawater, this is due to water entering the deceased. The one major tributary into the sea, the Jordan River, it therefore has no means to escape the situation. Lake and the constant parade seems so forced. The prevailing dry, hot conditions of the area denotes the significant amounts of the water evaporates. This resulted in the minerals and salt become steadily more focused. In fact, it is predicted that overall there are around 37 billion Dead Sea creatures. A lot of salt. Second, is the Dead Sea truly dead? Apparently, the answer is yes. You shouldn't expect to see frozen birds or grow plants near the Dead Sea to its cobalt waters are hostile. Below sea level, 1,412 feet third, a sea where you won't perish. The sand and rocks reflect the sea. 2% of the crystalline edge here at this time, in the middle of the Jordan Mountains and Judean hills. Fishers travel to the flood to take in the medicinal benefits of the Dead Sea. Additionally, some cover their bodies with the prior to sunbathing, wear a Dead Sea mud mask. Permit their bodies to take in the minerals hyaluronic acid and others available in the clay. Fourth, no water sports allowed here. There are no additional motor boots available. Cycles without water or even a rolling wave at this location. However, the clean environment and the serene atmosphere of the Dead Sea seem to be a location on some European Earth, the fifth largest free spa on Earth. The mineral content and heights of considering the Dead Sea, this body of tremendous healing properties of water, it's a well-liked spot for getting treatment. Skin conditions like acne, shield light, psoriasis, as well as joint pain and a lack of muscle. The largest body of water is the Dead Sea. Driving both tourists is a free spa and regional. However, if you indulge even more, there are numerous treatments provided by the hotels and spas near its coasts. The Dead Sea was the residence of one of the most significant findings in archaeology today. The Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered in 1947. Has 11 caverns close to the Qumran ruins on its western north shore. This historic document, which dates back to 250 BC to 6880, they include texts and prayers from the Bible. Who have not been essential to our recognizing the beginning of, despite the fact that the scrolls are present at the Jerusalem-based Israel Museum. Visit the location where they were discovered. Seventh, a peculiar aspect of that, the sea's speedy effect on tiny tablets and spar bricks from deep ships to its exterior. Egyptians in antiquity imported these to usage when performing mummification. The Dead Sea is one of the number 8 wheels of Israel's most well-liked visitors location. It's vanishing at a concerning rate. Its surface level, more than 1 meter per second year, is just half as long as it once was. Just a few moments ago, the lowest point on Earth is at position 9. In addition to being very salty, the famous for being the lowest, the Dead Sea location on Earth, about 423 meters, are found on its surface. Not at sea level. Our list of the top 9 incredible facts about the Dead Sea, and I hope you can tell me why. Found this video useful? Please say so. Kindly give it a thumbs up, as I usually do. Also enjoy it, so feel free to speculate in the comments section about future any video or query you may have, as we do the opportunity to address as many of those we are able. Additionally, if you join the channel, welcome to our centeredness family. Have a ton of new videos for you, so until then, remain wonderful, safe, and I'll see you in the following clip.